Hey, Touch Trove community. Glowing Star, welcome back. We've got some exciting rumors about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra, which might hit the market in 2025. This new foldable phone is expected to bring some major upgrades over its predecessors. Rumored specs and features: the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra might boast an 8-inch foldable display, larger than the 7.6-inch screen on the Z Fold 6. Imagine a more immersive experience right in your hands. But that's not all. The rumored specs include a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, a whopping 16 GB of RAM, and a massive 1 TB of storage. This could mean longer battery life and more space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Plus, with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, you can expect top-notch performance for gaming, multitasking, and more. Exploring the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra rumors, let's dive into what we know so far. The Galaxy Z Fold line has always pushed the boundaries of foldable phone technology. With the Z Fold 6 already making waves, attention has shifted to its potential successor. Rumors are swirling about a possible Ultra variant, and it sounds like Samsung might be preparing something truly special with top-tier specs and features. Camera enhancements: one of the most exciting rumors is about the camera system. Sources hint at a possible 200MP main sensor, similar to the one found in the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This would be a game-changer, offering incredible image quality and detail, especially in low-light conditions. We might also see better zoom capabilities and improved image processing. Performance and memory: it's likely that the Z Fold 7 Ultra will feature the latest Snapdragon processor available at the time of its release, providing a significant performance boost. Increased RAM and storage options are also expected, perfect for power users who need ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Display and design refinements: rumors suggest the display could see some refinements, such as increased brightness for better outdoor visibility and a further reduction of the crease. The design might also evolve, possibly taking cues from the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, like a wider cover screen, giving a more traditional smartphone experience when folded.